artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's the driving force behind some of the fastest-growing industries worldwide. In this guide, we'll explore 5 high-potential AI business models and show you how to start them step by step, even if you're a beginner. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip to set you apart from the competition. 1. Launch an AI education business. AI education is a booming industry, with millions eager to learn about artificial intelligence. Starting an online AI education business can be incredibly rewarding. How to get started? Define your target audience, students, professionals, or specific industries like healthcare or finance. Create courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Alternatively, launch a YouTube channel teaching AI basics. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to simplify complex topics in mid-journey. To design stunning course visuals. Pro tip: offer free mini courses to attract attention and build your credibility. You can later upsell advanced content. 2. Start an AI automation agency. Automation is the key to efficiency, and businesses are constantly searching for ways to streamline their processes. How to get started? Choose a specific niche, like retail, logistics, or e-commerce. Learn tools like Zapier, OpenAI APIs, or robotic process automation, RPA, to design automated workflows. Market your services by showcasing success stories. How your automation solutions saved time and money for a client. Why it works. Automation agencies can scale quickly as you learn to replicate solutions across different businesses. 3. Build an AI consulting business. AI is intimidating for many companies, and they need experts to guide them. That's where AI consulting comes in. How to get started? Research AI applications for industries like finance, manufacturing, and healthcare. Create a structured consulting framework to analyze client needs and propose tailored solutions. Network on platforms like LinkedIn to find potential clients. Example success path. Imagine consulting for a small retail chain. By introducing AI-powered inventory tracking, you could save them thousands of dollars annually. Pro tip: start small with free consultations or workshops to establish credibility. 4. Create an AI SaaS product. AI-powered software as a service, SaaS, products are one of the most scalable business opportunities available. How to get started? Identify a specific problem AI can solve, like generating content, optimizing customer support, or analyzing data trends. Use no-code platforms to develop an MVP, minimum viable product. Partner with a developer if needed, and focus on gathering user feedback to improve your product. Key insight: start with a narrow focus. Solve a pressing problem and expand features as demand grows. 5. Become an AI freelancer. Freelancing is an excellent way to get hands-on experience in the AI space without the need for large investments. How to get started? Learn in-demand skills like prompt engineering, chatbot development, or AI-driven content creation. Build a portfolio showcasing your expertise through mock projects or real client work. Use platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find your first few gigs. Freedom advantage. Freelancing allows you to grow at your own pace and eventually transition into a full-time business. Bonus tip: to stand out in the competitive AI market, focus on building a personal brand. Use LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube to share insights, case studies, and your journey. Building trust and credibility will attract clients and collaborators faster than anything else. The world of AI is growing at an exponential rate, and now is the perfect time to get involved. Whether you choose education, automation, consulting, SaaS, or freelancing, the opportunities are endless. Start today and take small steps that lead to big results. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who's ready to dive into the AI revolution. Let's shape the future together.